Hello everybody, we are in a beads factory store again. They have so many different styles to choose from. What is special with them are that their beads are very big, and you can see so many different styles to choose from. This is Mickey Mouse, and they also have some of other styles to choose from, like this umbrella, these pacifiers, and they also have some teddy bears and some of other products as well. Let me show you the big ones here, the lovely bears. And the prices here is about like 20 to 40 cents per piece, and they also have different ones as well. As I want to show you about these. These ones are so cute. And here is a big place. As you can see, it is so big. There are more shelves going this way as well, and we are in an underground store currently. I mean, they also have shop upstairs, but they are, as you can see, this is how they put things up and going for the loading. This is the factory store, and actually they have more products to choose from. Here you can just choose which one you like, just like that. And they have so many more also this way, and also on the, even on the floor there they put some, just like that. And let's go upstairs to see what else they have, so we can let you see more about that.
一样价2块8。
2块吧。
2块8。
这个多少钱？
这个那个没了，2块5一个。
2块5，对。Currently it's almost 5 o'clock, so the shops are getting closed soon, so we need to just go now. We are just setting off here now. We are leaving here, so tomorrow probably we will need to come here again to find more products for our customers. And you can see around. The reason why we come here every time is because there are more factories here than in Futian market, because more factories are located in this district of Yiwu, and we are actually also next to this world famous Yiwu market, which is also called Futian market.